Ka CBCI nei ka Catholic Bishop Conference of India menta kasngi kishitari Jylliew kalasdang ya ka National Conference on Tribal Christian Philosophy and Theology Hamathias Institute Provincial House Mawlai Shillong. Lapli ya ka conference da ka jinduai jong Bishop Deva Prasad Ganava SVD u Bishop jong ka Udaipur Diocese. U Father Paul Olengkot u Provincial ka Shillong Province ulo ai jingkren halor ka jingdon kam ban penthongtu kamtam yagi kun samla bakin omngop shakiwei ki jinsniu.
It's very the need of the hour for us travel here in the northeast or across the country. In this forum, which is the need of the time, is to plan a strategy how to find ways and means to defend our tribal young men and women who are being led astray by the ideologies of other religions of faith. I earnestly request you, here participants and all of you, to go beyond this theme. To go beyond this theme. That is tribal Christian philosophy and theology. Beyond that. The theme that you have put forward, because many of our tribal young people are being trapped within the family, within the village, or within the city, and above all, the whole Indian society. They do not know what to go, what to do, and how to go about. This is what we are feeling, speak for me, moving around across northeast India. Especially when I was the director of the NERIC, Northeastern Regional Commission, for the past 3 years I was there. I got in touch with many of our young people all over the northeast, and now as an animator of the province in this past 10 years here, moving from Mizoram to Tripura, from Barakbali to Meghalaya, and this is really my fear, especially for us here in Khasi Hills and Jylliew Hills, the fear that the other religions are creeping inside and trying to change our way of thinking. So we are thinking the Christian theology and philosophy, the way of how we philosophize, how we theologize. This is very dangerous at this moment. We have to fight, and we have to find ways and mean what are the strategies we need to do that. Because otherwise, within few years, we Christians will be nowhere here. So therefore, let's discuss together and find ways and means. I pray that the good Lord bless, enlighten, and inspire you, and Mother Mary guide you all. Thank you. Happy stay. God bless you all.
Laplyang burom ia kene ka National Conference da u Father Barnes Mauri, but u Father Nicholas Barla SVD ula ai ki kentin sungongu.
We are also happy to have the other guests of honor. Because the most important guest of honor we have this morning is our Bishop Deva Prasad Ganava from Udaipur, Rajasthan. So welcome, dear Bishop. One important thing about our tribal bishops, what I realize is our tribal bishops are very simple. All of them are very simple and very approachable, and you can talk to them, you can meet them very easily. So that's a very good quality of our bishops. Then I also like to welcome our important guest of honor. We have Professor Jylliew Kaka. I think all of us, we know him well. He's a well-known scholar who is very passionate about tribal issues. So welcome, Professor. Then we have an important person here, Father Nicholas Warlarpih, who is the National Secretary of the Office for Tribal Affairs, CBCI and chief organizer of this conference this today.
หากจินsedang ya ketika National Conference palayon benshim bentar ki padar ki sistar ki pastor bat kiriu shempang na Manipur, Meghalaya, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, Odisha, Udaipur, Delhi, Bihar, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Assam, Badru Naranchi, la Pynshongshit ki jingruai jong uwe ne ki Kaitor Damon Warlarpih. Badru kakan hun ruai jong Iba Nongrum na Laimer opar Shillong.
Nang nungan yo lakalong ren yang na pi mei ching sneng ching krao ching do ching dai tei tang na pi mei sing ya siang api do halap me i mei sangan long biriu hakane ka perthei mei ba I jonga tang ma phi mo ha perthei mei ba I jonga tang ma nang nungan yo lakalong Jylliew Haran sakit pun kalem pong Pynshongshit hipo ding ding lariw kaksing ting ting kamarente ringkat kamasti kagenhoy pada pabululong uboy lading kapor banyas mauha balade kapor tamasa ringkat kamasti kagenhoy pada pabululong uboy lading kapor banyas mauha balade kapor tamasa balade kapor tamasa Please po.
Katay ka conference, kabalasdang menta kasengi, kan kod hadu South Tarik ubnay Jylliew.